We back at it again, another 240SX Zenki video. If you guys been caught up to the build, we've been putting everything together, but now we gotta put our whole radiator and our brake system, clutch reservoir, and our overflow with our radiator system. So shout out to Koruworks. These guys been day one supporters from when we started with the Z, but they make these cool black anodized radiator brackets for the S chassis. Super dope. Some new bushings for a radiator from Nissan. We got a ISR thick boy radiator, circuit sport overflow can. We got our famous chase bays, brake booster delete with the bypass check valve or whatever bypass valve they call it, so you could change your bias, and the line system. If you guys remember, we ripped off all the hard lines out of the car, and then obviously a normal clutch reservoir. But yeah, let's get this system installed. So super easy. The radiators, you're gonna want to take these bushings, slide them on here, and then it just pops right into these two holes right here. And then the brackets that Koruworks makes, these you go ahead and put on and slap these guys on with a nut. All right, so take your bushings, now that that's in, now we take our Koruworks. There's a bracket right there, looking good. Now we're gonna install our overflow reservoir. So you guys can see, this is the reservoir. There's two marks. There's a hole right here and a hole right here, and you're gonna go ahead and put them on. So we got the clutch reservoir in, and as I was installing the chase bay reservoir, of course my camera dies and I didn't realize it, but yeah, here you go. This is it. Chase bays with the Willwood reservoir, and then we also have our master where we could change how stiff or soft you want your braking to be. So this will be super sick. It came out super nice, very like clean and cool looking in the bay. Super stoked. Thank you, Chase Bays. It looks really cool. And then just remember, the backside, you gotta put the pin into your brake pedal. Same thing with the clutch. But yeah, that's it for that. We got our radiator, ISR radiator, super sick. And then our Koruworks brackets. Our pins were broken, so we ended up having to self-tap it, but it's all good. Same thing. Came out super sick. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it helped somebody out with a 240. Thank you. See y'all next week.